Would you like to eat healthy, fresh food every day? Would you like to learn how to grow your own food? Would you like to rediscover your relationship with where your food comes from, with Mother Nature? At Solitude Farm Oroville, we'll be conducting a permaculture workshop, exploring our relationship with where this food comes from. Looking at how to grow the food, rotations, intercrops, nursery work, urban farming. An integral part of this workshop is learning how to use these foods, how to cook them, how to prepare them, and of course, eating them. And within that, we'll be exploring the profound philosophy of natural farming. So check out the links below, sign up, and we look forward to seeing you. We can change our lives.